Ever felt the frustration of swiping your Lunar card only to be met with a disheartening decline? You're not alone. In this video, we'll dive deep into the most common reasons why your Lunar card might be acting up and how to troubleshoot them. First things first, let's rule out the obvious. Insufficient funds. This is the most common culprit. Double-check your Lunar app to ensure you have enough funds to cover the transaction. Remember to factor in any potential fees or pending charges. Card limits. Have you reached your daily or monthly spending limits? Exceeding these limits can temporarily block your card. Card activation. Is your card actually activated? Sometimes, new cards require a simple activation step within the Lunar app. Card status. Check if your card has been temporarily suspended or blocked. This could be due to suspected fraud or security concerns. If the issue persists, here are some troubleshooting steps you can take. Contact Lunar support. The fastest way to resolve most issues is to reach out to Lunar's customer support. They can quickly investigate the problem and provide tailored solutions. Check for system issues. Occasionally, there might be temporary system outages or maintenance happening on Lunar's end. Check the Lunar app or their social media channels for any service updates. Review recent transactions. Look for any unusual or suspicious activity on your card. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, report them immediately to Lunar. Update the Lunar app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Lunar app installed on your device. App updates often include bug fixes and security enhancements that can resolve card issues. Let's delve into some specific card problems you might encounter. Card declined at POS. Weak signal. A weak or unstable internet connection can sometimes interfere with card transactions. Try moving closer to a Wi-Fi hotspot or using a stronger cellular signal. Incorrect PIN. Double-check that you're entering your PIN correctly. Card reader malfunction. Occasionally, the card reader at the point of sale might be faulty. Try using a different card reader or attempting the transaction again later. Online transactions declined. Website issues. The website you're trying to make a purchase on might be experiencing technical difficulties. 3D secure authentication. Some online transactions require additional security measures, such as 3D secure authentication. Make sure you're correctly entering the one-time password or completing the verification steps. To minimize future card issues, regularly monitor your account. Keep a close eye on your spending activity within the Lunar app. This allows you to quickly identify any unauthorized transactions or potential problems. Set spending limits. Setting daily or monthly spending limits can help you budget effectively and prevent accidental overspending. Update your contact information. Ensure your contact information within the Lunar app is up to date. This will help Lunar reach you quickly in case of any issues. Strong password. Use a strong, unique password for your Lunar account to enhance security. With these tips and troubleshooting steps, you should be well equipped to handle most card-related issues. If you're still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to contact Lunar support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.